Hey Warriors, old Jack here. So it's 25 March, 3 weeks from my distal bicep tendon repair, and it's feeling pretty good and it's looking pretty good. The uh, the extension right here is almost the same as the left side, and the supination and the pronation, as you can see right here, it's almost the same. I don't like to push it too hard though, because as soon as I feel that pull, I back off of it because I don't want to cause any complications. The scar is healing pretty good. If you can see it right here, uh, a little bit of scar tissue underneath here that I'll have to work out in a little while, but it feels fine and it looks good. So we're coming along pretty good here. The dial on my brace has been moved about another 20 degrees as per the surgeon's instructions. And on the 4th of April, I do it again, and then I should be at full extension before I have to go back and see him, which is 19 April. And that way we can get a last assessment, and he told me I can swim, and he's going to give me some other types of exercises that I'm able to do, whatever it is that I do, and just we'll see where I am. The atrophy on this thing is crazy. I took the liberty of measuring, doing full body measurements the day before surgery, and the arms, both biceps bent, not flexed, were 15 and a half. This one now is 15, and this one here 13 and a half. But I've been down this road before because when I had leukemia twice, came out of the hospital, weighed about 125, and it took me about 6 weeks to build my whole body back up again. So I'm up for the challenge. It'll happen. I'll just have to do it again. Training hard every day, getting all my sprinting in, my cardio stuff, doing all the strength training that I possibly can, to include the combatives training, and I'm just doing the best I can, trying to keep this thing safe. I wear the brace only when I'm sleeping, when I'm out and about, because anything can happen out there, and of course when I'm training, just so I don't overextend. But walking around the house, I'll either just wear a sling or just leave it free the way it is now. I kept my diet on point. I raised my protein, lowered the caloric intake and some of the fats, trying to keep fat off the midsection and off the body. That'll just make the job harder when I get back to training. So I get to, as I said, move that dial again in about 10 days, and we'll just keep going from here, and it's looking really good. So that's all for now. Old Jack out.